Welcome to Another Chance Outreach Center Online. Thank you so much for taking your time out to view this website. Continue to navigate through the site to learn more about us and the services in which we provide. My name is Myra Dixon, and I am the Chief Executive Officer and the Executive Director of Another Chance Outreach Center. Our mission is to assist veteran, ex-offender, battered, and homeless women by providing a 12-month residency program that may acclimate them back into society. Perhaps you may know of a woman that's in need of another chance. You may know a veteran woman who has served this country and perhaps may be suffering from PTSD. Direct them our way so that we can provide services for them so that they can be productive again in this society. Maybe you know of a woman who have made some bad choices and their choices caught up with them and they have become incarcerated. If you know these women, direct them to Another Chance Outreach Center. This is why we are here. We are here to help women that's in need that need another chance. Sometimes people don't get better because they don't know what help is available to them. And so we need you to spread the word and let people know, men and women, about the services of Another Chance Outreach Center. We would like to thank you for your continued support, for all of your financial donations and your in-kind donations. We say thank you. If you would like to contact us with questions, comments, or suggestions, or even if you would like to volunteer, or you know someone that may be interested in volunteering, our contact information is as follows. Our office number is 219-487-5448. Our fax number is 219-487-5451. Or visit us on social media. Our Facebook page is facebook.com/Another Chance Outreach Center. Or feel free to follow us on Twitter and Google+. Again, we thank you. Continue to spread the word about the services that Another Chance provides. You are the voice. We need you. We all work together to serve a purpose, and that is making women better and healthier than they've ever been before. Thank you. Continue to navigate through the site and enjoy Another Chance Outreach Center.